Hello everyone, welcome to IELTS Energy TV. I am your IELTS teacher, Jessica Beck, and today we are going to talk about whether or not you can agree with both sides in writing task 2. Okay guys, so I recently came across an IELTS lesson on the internet giving you a template for an essay where you agreed with both sides. Guys, it was weird. It was complicated. I would not recommend doing that on IELTS. So let's talk about why. So remember guys, everything we teach you at IELTS Energy, 3 Keys IELTS, everything we teach you is directly connected to the scoring system. This is your priority to get a high score. So everything you are learning must support that priority, must support you getting a high score. Okay, so if you had unlimited time, unlimited words, sure. I'm sure you could write a great essay where you support two sides of an issue and it's all complicated and impressive. Guys, you cannot be complicated in IELTS Writing Task 2 because there's not enough time, okay? So the score, it all comes back to clear communication. If you want to get a band 7 or higher in Writing Task 2, your ideas have to be very clear and very well organized. So for a 7 or higher for task, you have to show a clear position throughout the essay. Okay, the rubric literally says a clear position throughout the essay. So if you're trying to present this complicated position, it won't be clear. Okay, so there you go, right there, not band 7 or higher. Now, your score also depends on you strongly supporting your ideas. Strongly supporting your ideas with expanded details and examples. So you have to present one clear idea and build on that with details and examples. Again, guys, this organization I'm talking about, this is so difficult to do if you're trying to express a complicated, nuanced opinion, okay? You can't do that in the time allowed. This essay is too short. You don't have enough time. So I don't care what your opinion is. It's all about the score. Choose one side, say you agree with that side, stay strong, be consistent throughout your essay. This is how you get a 7 or higher, okay? Final words here, guys, to remember. Band 7 or higher. You want to be simple and clear for a high score in task. And cohesion, coherence. Simple and clear. For a high score in vocab and grammar, you can be complicated and fancy. Right? So remember that, guys. Try to remember that when you're practicing, okay? Guys, remember, you can get free resources that I designed just for your level. You have to take a short free quiz first, get your estimated IELTS band score, and then you get free resources based on that score. So go to allearsenglish.com/IELTS quiz. Remember, guys, if you know someone studying for IELTS, share this video. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.
Bonus tip, get a 7 or higher with the All Ears English app featuring real-time transcripts and vocabulary practice that will push your score higher. Plus, fun video lessons with Lindsay, Michelle, and Jessica. Download the app today at allearsenglish.com/app.